Okay, so this is now the part 2 of our request video. The reset ECU.
Ito na yung mismo.
Ito na mismo yung request.
Oo.
Pero bago yan,
Please subscribe to our channel.
alam mo kung saan mo hinuhugot yan, ano?
Oo nga eh. Nahihirapan na nga ako eh.
Oo nga. Anyway, pakita natin.
Okay, watch the video.
Locate the DLC socket. The DLC socket can be found often na malapit sa battery. Remove the cap. Please don't forget to watch part 1 of this video and the part 3. Again, for this bike, it's the brown and green. Let's install our jumper. Make sure the bike is off, huh? Open the throttle to full. Don't let go. On ignition. See check engine steady and blink. Within 5 seconds, let go of the throttle. See engine check. Doing a slow blink. That's the confirmation the job well done. Turn off engine. Don't forget to remove the jumper. It is necessary to let the bike adjust to its current state. So let the bike idle for 10 minutes before normal operation. By the way, this process is compatible with Honda PCX, Honda Beat, CBR 150, Honda Click, Honda Vario, Scoopy, Zoomer, and what else? It is just a matter of finding the right wire. Keep learning, guys! So there, recap tayo.
Recap. Same pa rin, yung jumper wire, kung paano siya kinabit. Then, yung kinaibahan nito is yung throttle.
Yung throttle mo,
full
naka-open.
open yan.
Yes.
Full open, then
Ignition.
on. Then, mag-blink yung check engine light. After 5 seconds, close throttle.
Let go of the throttle.
Tapos mag-blink siya ulit.
And that's it.
Then, off the ignition.
Again, on. Let it idle for
10 minutes.
Para lang makapag-adjust siya. Alam mo kasi, ang ECU, continuous learning siya. From day 1 na binili mo siya,
Hanggang sa
present, nung ginawa mo. Diba? So bakit natin ni-reset yung ECU?
Okay, for example, may ginawa kang upgrade sa engine.
Yeah.
Like, balik ka ng camshaft.
Air
What
intake.
else? Air intake.
Airflow.
Mhm.
Exhaust.
And injector.
Yeah. Anything, actually.
Anything, yeah.
Anything regarding intake and burn. So yun. So anong risk natin?
Risk, pag nagkamali ka ng suksok ng jumper wire,
Yeah.
pwedeng mag-short, pwedeng sirain yung ECU mo, pwedeng mag-spark at mag-cause ng fire.
Correct.
So, make sure na tama yung pagkabit mo ng jumper wire.
Correct. And again, give it time to learn. Give it like a few hundred kilometers.
Para maramdaman mo yung effect nung
Ginawa mo.
upgrade mo to sa makina.
Kasi ang ginawa natin, nireset natin siya to unlearn kung anong meron.
Siya before.
Para
matuto siya ulit.
yes. So, also it's an opportunity for you to teach the bike how you ride.
Tama.
So, see you again on the third
May third pa tayo.
video. See you again.
Cha-cha!
I know I've got a lot to change, but you don't have to treat me that way. No, you don't. I've had my share of ups and downs. I've lost my way and hit the ground, but I will be strong today. So I say, I don't need you, I don't need you anymore. No, you can't. But I can erase them out of my head. Yes, I